Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be showing you on how to cut multiple vinyl colors into just one mat. But before we start, if you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe so you will be notified for all the new videos that I will be posting. So let's start. Because you know how sometimes we have some leftover vinyls from the projects that we did, and we just don't want to throw them or waste them. So now we can utilize them without us having a hard time to do it like one color for every mat. So now we can use them all at once in just one mat. So let's make it. So the first thing to do is click on the make right here, and then we can transfer all the colored letters in just one mat. So we are going to transfer this letter into this first mat right here. So to do this, just click on the letter, click on this three button right here, and it says move object, and it is asking you where you want to move your letters. So click on this, click confirm, and put it right here. Okay, it turns black, but of course you can always put or choose whatever vinyl colors you like. When you put your vinyl on the mat, you can always decide which color you want it. Also, we already transferred that one. Let's go ahead on the yellow. We're gonna do the same thing until we finish all the letters. Okay, now let's go ahead and place our vinyls into the mat. Right now it doesn't really matter where you place them, because you're gonna arrange them anyway. take it out.